Okay, I am here with Fast Eddie, the creator of Fast Eddie Cookshack Smokers, and the creator of this pizza oven. And we've been talking today about the importance of having the right equipment to help you execute your menu well. Tell us about this pizza oven and why it's such a great application, even for mobile units.
This is a 100% wood-fired oven, burns wood pellets. It will go to 900 degrees, so you can do the Neapolitan-type pies with it. 451 cooks kind of an offshoot of a New York thin, so they run it around 700 or so, and they run about a 3-minute pie. So the beauty of it is you put the pie in, you shut the door, you push the timer, and off you go. You start working on making another pie. You don't have to spin it, you don't have to turn it. When it comes out of there, it's perfectly cooked bottom and top at the same time, is what it is. And it's ready to be cut and served to your consumer. So and you're putting out extremely fast, hot food.
Right.
And you're getting a great price. You're an artisan with it. You're getting something that most consumers don't get down the street. And that's the beauty of in the food truck business. You want to be unique.
So even if you have to make a whole pizza from scratch, the order to out the window under 5 minutes, that's unheard of in the pizza world.
Yes, definitely. And actually, they get their dough balls in frozen. They cold proof them. They come out, as you've probably seen the little sheeter stretch it to a 12, right. And you still finish stretching to get that nice air into the dough, and you'll get the bubbling action to it and all.
Right, right. Well, that's awesome. Thank you so much for taking the time to show that to us today. For more content like this, you can subscribe to CustomTrailerPros.com. We're so happy that you chose to watch. Thanks so much.